Think you can sing happy birthday to Monique?
Happy birthday to Monique. Happy birthday to Monique. Happy birthday, dear Monique. Happy birthday to Monique.
Yay!
That was very nice.
What are you doing?
And cars.
Yay! We've got cars. What are you going to do with them?
And that bubble.
Oh, yes. You have bubbles. I'm going to ask Daddy to open those for you?
Open.
Bring them over here, sweetie.
Open. No credit.
Will you say please?
Please.
Okay.
No credit.
Here. And don't spill it. Again. Oh.
Oh.
Did I get you with bubbles?
Yeah.
Here, come here. Now hold it carefully with your hand. There you go.